once again on this channel of Career Edge, and in this video I'm just going to show you one more program where you got a free certificate from Accenture, and also there are a lot of experience you got because this is a program especially designed for the students to get the things which to get the experience how the Accenture consultancy works. So just I'm going to show you, but before I am just want to show you which type of videos I make and why you need to subscribe my channel, and what type of benefits you get if you subscribe my channel. So this is the channel of Career Edge, and here you got different type of educational opportunities like videos which comprised of different type of free courses and certification videos, to the swags and goodies videos, and also some tutorials which gives you some as to others if you follow my contents. So these are the contents which you can see on the screen, and if you subscribe my channel, so you also got notified for this type of contents. So now I am just going to show you which program I am talking about. So this is the program of Accenture consultant program from Forage. Forage, if you doesn't know, Forage also provide different type of virtual internship. If you complete that virtual internship, you get a certificate of virtual internship also, and also different type of things which is covered in the program which is provided by Forage. But this is a different program. It is completely designed for the students. What you are going to learn in this program of Accenture consultant program, and this is also backed by Accenture. So this is a very good thing. All the contents here provided on this forage for this program Accenture consultant program is from Accenture. So here what you are going to get here, are you ready to develop your talents? This is your from real case scenarios you are going to learn from here, and there is nothing to do. You just go and register on this platform of Forest by tapping on register now, and as you got registered, after that you just go and enroll for this program. What are comprised in this program I am just going to show you. Also this Accenture consult program is free for all students, and anyone can apply for this. There is no age scenario and any type of required skills for this is a completely for beginners. And here what you are going to get, this is a totally free. As I told, this program is self-paced, and it takes 4 to 5 hours to complete this Accenture consultant program. So this is a very less time, and you get a free certificate from Accenture also for completing this program, and also you got some skills and experience from Accenture Nordic, and also use this experience with your by mentioning this in resume. So why to join this Accenture consultant program? Because I just said that you got some skills and also some experience, and also you it's improve the way the world works and lives. You are going to see in this program, and also coming from diverse background, we work together to solve our clients most challenging problems with leading edge technologies. So how Accenture works, which type of technologies Accenture use for their consultancy purposes. So you are going to see that. As you all know, Accenture is one of the biggest MNC in the world, and also the I think the number one in all over the world for the consultancy. So this you can see all the things, and here what you are going to get. If you wants to know about this program, you just play this video from Vivek Nailad, which is from the Accenture, and here he explains all about this program. Now I am just going to show you about the benefits. So here you can see you earn a certificate, get yourself up to success, learn direct from Accenture, means the consultant program has been created by leaders at Accenture, and at you all receive instruction from the Accenture team and compare your work with real model solution from Accenture. So this is the benefit which I am talking about. This is the biggest benefit. And also gain real work experience, because if you do any type of course, they doesn't give you experience of the work culture of the offices, but this gives you a virtual experiences of that type of things also. Do it your own time, means this is a self-paced. As you want to do complete this this course. As you do, you can take 1 month, you can take 1 day, at any time you can complete this program and got a free certificate. So here you can see different type of things: project priorities and planning, user journey redesign. This type of things are considered in this. There are analytics, communication, and also different type of things which you can see here. At the last, I'm just going to show you what what you are going to get in this program. Different type of things: project priorities and planning, set project priorities, assemble plan, user journey redesign. These are the things which is which is in this total, in this course, or means in this program of Accenture. Outcomes analysis, this is the analytics part of this whole program. And client communication, fix the errors, choose your language. And at the last, prioritization and impact assessment. So these are the things which is in this Accenture consultant program, and you can register by just tapping on register now. And after that, you can see here I already logged in this. So as I just tap on register now, so I got enrolled for this course. So if you doesn't have the if you doesn't have the account, if you doesn't have an account on this forage, because this is a very good very good educational platform where you can just go and create your account, so that you got different type of benefits of this type of program that is totally free. It doesn't take any type of charges from you. And you can see here different type of things which is mentioned here, which they are going to cover. And also by just going next and next, you reach at the contents of this program. So different type of things are here. And also here you need to choose who are you, where did you hear about the Accenture consultant program. So you can choose any of this. So if through recruiting events, through social media, so you can choose anyone and just tap next, so that they get informed about that, where where the those who are enrolling on their course, who are they and where from they come. So that type of things help them to reach more and more people. So I just going to complete this course after some time. But you also need to do one more thing, that you just subscribe my channel and also share this with your friends, because this type things is needed for all of the college students. And this type of things gives you some experience, some skills, and also at the last your certificate, which you can showcase on different type of social media platforms. And the experience and the skills which you gain from this program, you can mention on your resume also. So this type of benefits you are going to get. So please share this video with your friends also, and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching for this video.